Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So in this class we are going to discuss about a design thinking based project called IOT based smart street lighting system for energy efficiency. So the main objective of this project is to minimize the energy consumption, right, during the night time. So for that we have designed this project. So here we have employed a number of components to control the entire process, and likewise called the motion sensor we have placed in the different side of this the designed compartment, and this the motion sensor will sense the whenever the vehicle enters into the street, and then it sends the signal to the microcontroller, and the similar kind of command is passed through the entire system, and the light will starts to blow. So this is the our ultimate aim to design this project, and here we have used the components for the each one have own its working principle, and how this project is working, and what are the advantages of the system, and what are the yes, whenever we are going to design a new system or innovate something, there is a plus or minus. So for that so this details only we are going to discuss in this class.
So in this process, in this project, we can see that it mainly focuses on energy efficiency. In this, motion sensor is attached. So if the vehicles is moving through this road, and the street light starts to glow, and if the vehicles stops to move, the street lights will dim low, so that energy efficiency can be reduced, energy consumption can be reduced, so that electricity bills rates must be definitely reduced. And also in this we can see that fault detection sensor, by this if there is any fault, it will give information to the respective authority, to the officer, and immediately they can repair that fault. And also in this we can it is attached with the daylight sensor. If the daylight comes, it will automatically turn off. So again it also reduces energy consumption.
So what are the major components employed here?
Sir, we have transformer and a and with the power supply, and we have a microcontroller, and we have a relay module, and a motion PIR motion sensor we have, sir, in the different directions to sense the vehicle motion with the speed. It sends with the PIR sensor detects the motion and sends the information to the microcontroller, and that sends the information to the street lights, and it get close.
So it is a working principle.
Yes, sir. The major working principle of this things is first, when a car enters through this path or this path, under the road there is a sensor, moving sensor that will sense the motion of the car, and automatically it gives the information to the supply board, and the supply board works through the help of transformer, and that the current or the light power will be going to the street light, so that the car can be moved visibly through the road, sir. There are three moving sensing objects. There are 1, 2 and 3, sir. These three will sense the motion of the car, so that the pathway of the road can be clear, sir.
So what are the advantages of this project?
Sir, it saves electrical energy, then it reduces the electricity bills, as Prasanna said, and it also reduces human intervention, and then the smart monitoring, then fault detection can be used.
Any other application?
Sir, applications are in highways, car parkings, small car parkings, and smart cities, and underground parking systems are used in this application.
Sir, nowadays energy plays a major role, particularly electrical energy. So we construct the project likewise. In this method used to reduce the electrical consumption. So in this generation we must do this project in our day-to-day life.
Yes, sir. So you explained this project very well. Yes, the objective of this project is to reduce the energy utilization with the consideration of the energy demand supply created by the human beings, and in that we can design this project with the effective manner, and by this we can there's a huge possibility of us to make the awareness to the people, and how the energy consumption to be as minimized as much as possible. So that is what our ultimate aim. Yes, thank you. We had a great discussion. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.